Take a blank slide, go to View tab and click on Guide. Insert a rounded rectangle, increase the length, adjust the width to 0.35. Remove the outline, duplicate the shape, change the color to yellow. Select both the shapes by holding the Ctrl key. Duplicate few more times till the end of the slide. Now change the width of the first and last rounded rectangle to 0.45. Now decrease the size of yellow and blue shape one by one as shown here. You can adjust the size as per your requirement. Now select all the yellow shapes by holding the Ctrl key. Go to Merge Shape and select Union. Insert a rectangle placing the half of the slide. Change the color to green and remove the outline. Right click and send to back. Select the rectangle and then the yellow shape. Go to Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Now select the rectangle followed by the blue shape. Go to Merge Shape and choose Union. Now insert an image and send to back. Select the image and then the green union shape. Go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Go to View tab and untick the guide. Now insert another image on the left side and send to back. Select the first image. Go to Format Picture. Click on the shadow preset and choose Inner Inside Left. Change the color to white. Decrease the transparency to 0%. Blur to 91 points and distance 100 points. Insert a title and subtitle. Hope you like this PowerPoint. Do share the content ahead and don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.